inatumika kutaja maeneo madogo. Hii ni maeneo makubwa. So my origin is at Ifupa in Mbeya. So someone knows that Ifupa inapatikana kumbe wapi? Mbeya. My origin is at Kikondo in Mbeya. Kumbe Kikondo iko ndani ya Mbeya. My origin is at Tanzania in Africa. Hapo labda niko Asia, bara hili. Naambia mimi ninatoka Tanzania kwenye bara la Afrika. My origin is at Tanzania in Africa. So someone knows that Tanzania is found in Africa. Are you together? Yes. Another one can say, what is your tribe? What is your tribe? My tribe is Nyakyusa. My tribe is Kinga. My tribe is Safwa. My tribe is Nya. My tribe is Matego. My tribe is Hey. My tribe is Bena. My tribe is Ndari. My tribe is Wanji. Yes. My tribe is Nyamwanga. My tribe is Fipa. My tribe is Sukuma. My tribe is Masai. My tribe is unaandika 4 kama kawaida unaongeza th 4. Ngine? Zimeisha tuna. Yes. 10 na 20. Yaani wa 20 kuzaliwa. Okay. 20. What is your name?
My name is Lucas Samuel.
Good.
Yes.
What is your age?
My age is 46
years old. What is your age?
My age is 46
years
old.
Good. What is your origin? Asi.
My
origin?
My origin is at Nyakyusa.
Asi. Okay. And then, yes. My origin is
at Mwakaleli.
In
Mwakaleli.
At Mwakaleli.
I have 2 daughters. I have 2 children, daughters and sons. My first daughter is Grace. My daughter.
Don't put S because you have a single.
My first daughter is Grace. My second daughter is Jovan.
Jovan is not a daughter.
For what you have done in this morning, we have enjoyed for what you have.
Yes.